Okay. Good day, class. Welcome to our lesson on human person as embodied spirit. This is the lesson 3 for the continuation of our past lessons. Now, in this lesson, we were going to understand what make us human, how body and spirit work together, and how we can go beyond our limits. A human person is more than just being alive. And what make us unique is our awareness, yung freedom to choose, and even yung ability to connect with others. And also, with our dignity. Now, these qualities form our human nature, our way of thinking, feeling, and acting. A person has four main characteristics. First is yung self-awareness. We know ourselves and our thoughts. Second is self-determination, where we can make decisions or choices and act responsibly. Third is yung externality. We reach out our build relationships. And fourth is dignity. So every person has worth and must be respected. We are embodied spirits, which mean our body and souls are united. And our body expresses our inner self. For example, a hug shows love, smile shows joy, and through embodiment, we form unique relationship with the world and people around us. Now, when we say embodied spirit, I do believe that body, um, ito yung pinakalalagyanan ng spirit natin. So, we have the body, soul, and spirit. Wherein soul, it contains our emotions. The body is yung lalagyanan and yung spirit natin is eternal. Yung eternal na yun is eternal connection with the divine being who created us. And I do believe na matapos ang buhay natin dito, um, merong eternal na buhay na nag-iintay sa tao, which is when we died, after we died, syempre people, nung mga nagmamahal sa atin, malulungkot, pero yung spirit natin, haharap yan sa Diyos at doon i-judge kung we make a decisions to be with Him for eternity or to be separated from Him for eternity. If God is in heaven, then andun tayo if we make that decision. If God is in, kung ang Diyos ay wala sa hell at you choose to become one, then ikaw ay mapupunta doon. So, that is very important to understand because for many times, ang inisip ng tao, ang buhay ay para lang dito sa mundo. But the truth is, merong buhay na nag-iintay sa atin matapos yung buhay nito, and that is for eternity. Kung kasama natin si God for eternity or hiwalay tayo sa Kanya. And the Bible is very clear to us in that na kung papaano niya sinabi at kung papaano niya itunuro, kung papaano ang isang tao ay mapupunta for eternity na kasama ang Diyos. Now, as humans, we have limits. So, syempre, we cannot fly or we cannot breathe underwater. Although, merong mga lahi dito sa Pilipinas na ang tagal ng breath nila, ay ang tagal ng kakayahan nila na nasa underwater. Pero, hindi enough talaga na makahinga underwater. But we can go beyond these limits through reason and through our creativity and effort. Now, this ability is called transcendence, and it helps us grow and improve ourselves. There are views in the Eastern philosophy wherein teach the human person. In Hinduism, life is a cycle of rebirth, and ultimate goal is moksha or liberation. So, pagka namatay ka, you're going to be rebirth. In Buddhism naman, life's problem is suffering. And the way ends suffering is by following the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. So both highlight spiritual growth and beyond the physical world. Now, in Christian thinkers like Saint Augustine and Saint Thomas Aquinas, now also explain human dignity. So sabi ni Augustine, true freedom means choosing what is good and pleasing to God. For Aquinas, humans are moral agents with responsibility. Now, both of them remind us that our dignity comes from God. Now, we grow as persons through life experiences. And I think this is also very important because forgiveness frees us from anger. And the beauty of nature give us moments of grace. We are sometimes vulnerable, and sometimes we fail, and that failure remind us of our limits and teach us strength. Another thing is loneliness. It teach us the value of companionship, and love, especially love, help us go beyond ourselves even through sacrifices. Now, in summary, the human person is an embodied spirit with freedom, dignity, and ability to love. And our body and spirit work together, allowing us to make choices, connect with others, and transcend our limits as we strive for truth, goodness, and divine. So, this a fast track or express lesson for lesson 3. So after this, we will have a quiz. Kindly check your silid for the notification para sa quiz for this lesson.